Today's project. I already took off a stock set of wheels on a brand new Ranger. This one's 1 year old. Take the tracks off, put the wheels on. All the mounting brackets, and it's kind of a challenge because I've never done it, but kind of fun. All right, this is for next year to make it easy. So I jack it up, put it in neutral. I spin the track a little bit, get my 19 in there. That way I can squeeze it in there and get all the lugs nuts loose. It's kind of important because if you got one on the bottom side, you can't get it. So spin the track when it's in neutral. You can reach them, loosen those a little bit. Then you want to take your, let's see, what do we got? This is a 1/2 inch. I'm going to remove that little bolt right here. And I believe it's a 19 or a 17. Get this out of there. And they give you another one once you get that bracket off. And that's how it's done. Okay, as far as the front on these tracks, the Polaris tracks, I'm using a 15. I'm going to pull this bolt, pull this off, pull that bolt, and this bracket should pop right off. Again, I have it neutral. I spun the tracks and was able to do lug nuts first. So do lug nuts first, and that's how you take them off.